Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how to stake with Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to stake with Trust Wallet, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet, and after opening the wallet, simply unlock it by putting your biometrics or passcode, and now it will be prompted into your home screen. Now you just simply have to select this earn button at the third into the bottom row. Tap to the earn button. Now after selecting earn, you will get the option of stake into top. Tap to stake now option in very top. Now after tapping into stake now, you will be prompted to a very new page again. Now, after going into this earn section, you just simply have to select any of the coin or the currency which you would like to stake. For me, I'm selecting this Ethereum, and after that, it will give the option of stake. Tap to stake button, and then you can choose the amount of Ethereum or any of the other coin in order to stake. Just simply select the amount and then you can proceed next. And this way you can easily buy stake the amount into your Trust Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.